Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Squarespace website name. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on Edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting Edit, you are going to hover over the website name at the moment, as you can see right here. Mine is Simple. Then you are going to tap on Edit Site Header. After selecting that, you are going to tap on Site Title and Logo. Then you'll see the site name right here, and from here you can edit it if you would like. So for example, I could add one to it. Then once you're finished making the changes that you want to make, you can simply scroll down, and you could also add a logo if you like. And after doing that, you'll simply tap on Done. And that's it. As you can see right there, the changes have been made and saved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.